Media and entertainment have become a multi-trillion-dollar business, and with further growth on the cards, the stakes are high.
It means that the value placed on audience measurement as a means to build, retain and engage viewing is especially significant.
But with 5 decades of innovation under our belt and the right investments made for the future, Kantar is ready.
Audiences have embraced connectivity and choices as subscription video on demand battles pay TV for the overall share of wallet.
As competition intensifies, platforms, channels and advertisers are fighting to get the attention of the audience. The pandemic has accelerated streaming and dependence on technology, as well as giving audiences further exposure to new forms of advertising. Everyone's investing heavily in technology to make the most of the opportunities that content discovery, connected TVs and advanced advertising and 5G offer.
Kantar is uniquely placed at the intersection of media industry. We do what others cannot. We have the versatility, scale, technology and expertise across the world to unlock audience.
You want to grow your audience and your business. However, the time and spending power of audiences is finite and the competition is fierce.
First-party data is exciting and there are clear benefits in leveraging your own audience data. But successful business won't unlock growth without understanding the full market picture or gaining a complete view on the competition. Our data ensures you don't operate with commercial blind spots. We bring your own data to life.
Kantar's audience measurement solutions deliver a consistent source of accurate data that can drive informed decisions across your business. We partner with powerful market leaders and disruptors, helping clients of every kind fuel their growth with data.
You can build long-term value by understanding context and comparability, as well as enrich and activate your own data to monetize attentive and engaged viewers.
Kantar's audience measurement solutions deliver greater precision and independent verification that ensures industry confidence. Our technology and panels fuel planning and trading decisions for media investment in 62 markets.
You can be assured that private standards are met so that you can leverage industry trading models and demonstrate performance.
Kantar delivers the solution to unlock audiences and grow your business.